How to post IGTV videos on Instagram. IGTV videos are videos that are longer, right? It's a great way to share longer film content with your audience. And here is how to go about it. The first way is to log in into your Instagram account, then move to the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon and then click on it. And so after clicking on your profile icon, you're brought to your profiles page. Next step is to click on the plus icon at the middle of the screen for you to create a new post. And so the next step here would be for you to select a video that is 60 seconds or longer. Yeah, IGTV videos must be longer than regular Instagram videos. So after selecting a video, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on next. And so after clicking on next, you will be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to edit the video and all of that. If you do not want to edit it, move to the bottom right corner and click on next. And so it will be processed, and then you'll be asked to write a caption, tag people or wherever. You can do all of this, then move to the bottom right corner again and click on the share icon, and then it would load and your video would be shared as an IGTV video. So you can always, the IGTV video allows you to share the full length of the video. As you can see, it's already loading, and then the full length of the video would be shared. So this is how you can share IGTV videos. Instagram has made it a lot easier for you. So just go ahead and share a video as long as you can think of. Thanks for watching and have a good day.